Hey everyone, welcome back to KIMLUD Media today. We're diving into one of the most fascinating revolutions happening right now, how artificial intelligence is completely remapping our planet. From city grids to remote forests, AI is reshaping the way we understand and navigate the world. Whether you realize it or not, it's already influencing your everyday life, helping with everything from urban planning to disaster response. But what does this mean for the future? Let's break it down. For centuries, we've relied on traditional mapping methods. We used physical maps, early satellites, and GPS systems to navigate and understand the world around us. But these tools have always had their limitations: outdated data, slow updates, and static maps that can't keep up with the speed of change happening on the ground. Cities expand, the environment shifts, and infrastructure grows, leaving old maps in the dust. Even with modern satellite technology, it can take years to get an accurate picture of changes in our environment. And for a long time, collecting data in remote or hard-to-reach areas was nearly impossible. Imagine trying to predict the effects of climate change or planning a new city layout with maps that are outdated before they even get printed. So, where does AI come in? Well, with AI, we can collect and process data faster and more accurately than ever before. Let's look at a few ways AI is already changing the mapping game. First up, AI-driven mapping tools use real-time data collection. Take drones, for example. These tiny flying machines are equipped with sensors and cameras that gather up-to-the-minute information on everything from urban growth to changes in natural landscapes. And AI doesn't just capture the data, it can analyze and process it instantly, making maps that are constantly evolving. Next, predictive analytics. AI can look at patterns in the data and predict how cities will expand, how populations will shift, and even how weather patterns will change. For instance, urban planners now use AI to design cities that are more resilient to climate change by predicting flooding, air quality, and traffic patterns. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about environmental monitoring. AI is being used to track deforestation, monitor wildlife migration patterns, and even predict the path of wildfires. These technologies are giving us a deeper understanding of our planet's health and enabling us to respond faster and more effectively. But these advances don't just apply to cities or nature. They're changing everything, from transportation routes to disaster response. With AI, we can visualize data like never before, and that means better, smarter decisions for our planet's future. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. In 2022, AI technology was used to predict the likely path of a major earthquake in a remote region. Traditional methods couldn't provide the precision or speed required, but AI used real-time seismic data and historical patterns to forecast the event and save countless lives. This is just one of the many groundbreaking applications of AI in remapping our planet. Thanks to AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, we are now better equipped to respond to natural disasters, track the spread of diseases, and even predict and prevent environmental destruction. We're moving from reacting to taking proactive steps to protect our world. So, to wrap it up, AI is doing more than just making maps. It's completely reshaping how we understand and interact with our environment. With its ability to collect real-time data, analyze vast amounts of information, and predict future changes, AI is transforming everything from urban planning to disaster relief. And this is just the beginning. We want to know what you think. How do you see AI impacting the future of mapping? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on how AI is changing the way we build cities. See you there. This has been KIMLUD Media.